In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cookies for Ubersuggest safely and efficiently. First, let's talk about why managing cookies is important. Cookies help websites like Ubersuggest remember your login information and keep your browsing sessions smooth and efficient. To begin, it's essential to allow cookies in your browser settings. By doing this, Ubersuggest can remember your login details and make your experience seamless. Now, if you're using Chrome, here's what you'll need to do. Head over to your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security, and then click on cookies and other site data. Here, you have two options. You can either select allow all cookies or choose the more selective option. Allow cookies from sites you visit, and this step will help Ubersuggest function properly and keep your preferences saved. Next, let's address a common issue you might encounter. If you're having trouble logging in, it could be due to old cookies that have become corrupted or outdated, leading to possible errors. In this case, clearing your old cookies might do the trick. Again, for Chrome users, this involves going to Settings, then Privacy, and selecting Clear Browsing Data. Be sure to tick Cookies and Other Site Data before you click on Clear Data. After you've done this, head back to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest and log in again. When logging into Ubersuggest, remember to check the box labeled Stay Signed In if you want your browser to keep the session active using cookies. This little checkbox ensures your session doesn't time out too quickly, and it can save you time by eliminating the need to log in repeatedly. Now, let's discuss browser extensions. While they can be incredibly useful, it's vital to use them responsibly. Make sure to install only those extensions you trust, such as the Ubersuggest Chrome extension available from the official Chrome Web Store. It's crucial to avoid tools or extensions that promise to provide cookies or premium access, as these can often be unsafe and may even contain malicious software. By following these steps, you can ensure your browsing sessions with Ubersuggest are smooth, secure, and hassle-free. Always remember that managing cookies properly not only improves your user experience, but also safeguards your online security. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more great content and tutorials.